You see this
Oh,
rock?
yeah, I saw that. Got a picture of it. Impressed, but how come? How come did he get there?
Ropes. With ropes.
Ropes.
Yeah.
Do you think someone put it there? No. It wasn't put there. Universe put it there.
So there is another hike. So there is another hike called Brian Head Peak.
Okay.
It comes from other side of the mountain. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So
So it's a bit more difficult than it says.
it's okay. I mean,
Not much.
yeah, you can do it.
Cool.
So that one, there's a big mountain behind it, behind this.
Oh, it's beautiful.
So from there you come through this, all these trees, and then you hike down, and you come this here, and then you come this way, and then with waterfalls, come back and go back.
Nice. So you start from higher
Higher, yeah,
level. Okay.
like 9,500 feet.
Okay, and you go down.
Yeah.
Oh, it's cool actually. You start already up. Or you
Yeah.
have to climb. You have to still.
No, you can drive there. You can leave one car there.
Okay.
For me, I'm looking for you. Yeah, for me, I'm looking for where are my stones, my rocks, so I don't want to. Oh, look at here, how beautiful. So, if you stand right here, you can full picture. Oh, sit, yeah, even better. Woohoo!
Oh, wow. Oh, so awesome. Oh my god. You're doing this is so awesome. With your phone. What's the phone you have? iPhone?
It's not the phone.
Is that photographer? Of course.
You,
But the quality of the image.
yeah, again, it depends on how you position the camera, the sun.
Really, so I'm really not good on taking pictures now. Because I always, oh, not always, but often have the last iPhone. And I have the impression that phone, other phone, less expensive something, less iPhone. That's the person then.
It's always the person.